Alright. I want to go over a couple ways. So I want you guys to tell me them. I don't want to be telling you guys them. And I want you to tell me whether you agree or disagree. Alright, have a conversation amongst each other, whether you agree or disagree with that explanation. Here's the thing, the work is going to be fine. I already know. Most people I saw the work's fine. The explanations though, we're struggling. So tell me what you did. What did you do?
Can I have the microphone?
Do you have the microphone, please? Yeah, sure. It's not here. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so what I did was I did a chart.
You did a chart? Okay. Ladies
Tell
and
you about
gentlemen,
making
whoa. Guys, don't keep talking because not everyone's being respectful of the fact that you're sharing information with them, trying to help them out. And they're moving around the room and talking while they're supposed to be listening to you. Alright, you made a chart. What'd you do? What'd you do?
Okay, so you want me to tell you how I made the chart?
Yeah, tell me what you put in the chart. I'm just saying, doing what you tell me.
I put 0 on the X side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, why did you stop at, no, it's actually this. Angel, why do you think she stopped at 8 on her table?
It's 8 minutes.
Because 8 minutes, right. Thought that would stump you? It's not.
Okay, so then I used my last thing, and it was like 15 for 0, 21 for 1, 27, 33, 39, 45, 51, 57, and 63.
Travalis, how did she get all these numbers? What did she do?
She just added everything plus 6.
Why she was plus 6 again?
Because it was a constant rate.
Right, it was the slope. We were on 6. What did that 6 mean again? In real life, what that 6 means? How much is 1 minute? So 6 per minute, right. Okay, okay, cool, I had to say, but if you turn this into me, and the table's there, I'm going to give you a big old 0. Maybe I'll give you 1, maybe I'll give you 1 point, because I don't know why that's there. I understand, because I'm not dumb. Well, you need to tell me. What is it?
So I did that because, like,
We gotta write in the explanation.
Chavalis, shut your face.
On a test, yes.
That's
All
what
right,
Casper tells us.
And so I did that because I was trying to see if he went to the same place, and so I just kept going to see how much he would pay for 8 minutes, and he paid 66, but that's at 63. So.
Okay, right. So you said you went to the table to see what should he have paid for 8 minutes?
63.
And what did he pay?
66.
So did he go to the same place?
No.
No. So what? How? Okay, that's a good enough explanation. I'd be okay with that explanation. Anyone want to add anything to your explanation? Clarify anything?
And I used 6 because it was the constant.
Okay, yeah, I would put in that. That's a good addition. Denisha said I would add somewhere in there that you use 6 because it's a constant rate to check it.
Oh, can I add one more thing?
Yeah. What else?
I used 15 for 0 because that's the initial value.
Right, and you use 15 for 0 because that's the initial value. Right. So you're basically explaining to me the equation and how the equation doesn't get you this.
Writing this down?
You can write it down. It's another way of thinking about it. So Bria, let's let Bria. I saw her do one. Bria, what did you do? Tell me what you did, because you did it differently. What did you do?
I wrote an equation.
You wrote an equation. What equation? I wish the camera could see your face right now.
It was 6x
Uh-huh.
plus 15
Plus 15
equals 66.
Okay, so why did you put 66 into the equation?
Because that's the total of what Mr. Targoni got.
Right, and this spot right here stands for the total cost, so you plugged it in perfectly. Anyone in this room disagree with doing it this way? Who else did it this way? Who else checked it that way? Oh, a lot of you. Okay. What'd you do now? What'd you do now?
Oh, I had minus 15 from 15 to 66.
Okay, minus 15 plus that, 6x equals 51. Then what?
And then I had divided it both sides by 6. And then I had got 8.5. And I knew that was wrong. Because if it was right, I would have got 6, I think. No, I would have got 13. What? 8?
Alright, so here's the part about her answer that needs to be clearer. Okay? When you explain, you need to tell me what this means and why it should or should be that way. So when she's thinking all these numbers, that's telling me that she doesn't really know what this stands for. So someone tell me what that X stands for.
I just told you.
Chloe, tell me what the X stands for.
The X stands for the slope, which is how many per minute.
So the 6 stands for the slope. What does the X stand for?
The X stands for how many minutes you were there.
Right, it stands for time, minutes only, okay? The time in minutes.
How many minutes was that?
I know it's the end of the day, but we gotta get back together. Come on. Alright, so that's answer minutes. So how would you explain this now, Bria? How would you explain this now?
Okay, so, what, is this the answer?
Yeah, because you're saying that you should have gotten something else. So explain that to me a little more clear what you would have said.
Okay, I know that the answer is wrong and he didn't go to the same place because if he did, I would have ended up getting 8 and not 8.5.
Exactly. If it actually was the total cost at this particular place, you would have gotten 8 minutes because that's how we checked the last ones. Okay. Is there any other way anyone else did it to check? Could we have graphed it?